Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. The function f is graphed in its entirety above. If the function g is defined so that g of x equals to f of negative x, then for what value of x does g attain its maximum value? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So, the function f is graphed in its entirety above. So we have the entire f graph. We don't care about continuation. If the function g is defined so that g of x equals f to the negative x, then we would like to graph the g function. How we can graph the g function? Well, we know that g of x is equals to f to the negative x. So we can just plug in x's. So if x equals 0, then g of 0 equals f of negative 0, that's 0. So g of 0 equals f of 0. So at the value f equals 0, they are equal. Okay, let's see. G of 1 equals f of negative 1. Now, what does it mean? So the value that the g function, the value of the g function at x equals 1 would be equal to the value of the value of the g function at x equals 1 would be equal to the value of the f function at x equals negative 1. So the value of the f function at x equals negative 1 is negative 1. The g function would have this value at x equals 1. Yeah. And we can see that g of negative 1. So the value that the g function, the value of the g function at x equals negative 1 would be equal to the value of the f function at x equals negative f of negative 1, that's just 1. So value of the g at negative 1 would be the value of f at 1. This is the way you can just think about it. Well, actually, we know that g of x is equals f minus x. That means that g of x is the mirror image of f of x. If the y, if y is the mirror actually, so we can just flip this graph. We can just want to just mirror it, all the values, just mirror it to the other side. And once we do that, we get the function g of x. And we can see that the maximum value of g of x is 2, and it reaches it at x equals negative 2. So that would be our answer. B would be our answer. Well, I hope it was understandable. If it wasn't, please tell me in the comment section. I will try to explain better. And yeah, thank you for watching.